How do you feel if you have to give any presentation, to deliver a speech, to do the anchoring, to meet a person formally, and most of all to face an interview? Regarding this aspect, friends, we all have been surrounded with the same aspect, with same feel, and we all have been sailing on a same boat. At one phase or the another, everyone has to experience professional challenges. So welcome back. A very hearty welcome to my channel, and this is Shalini. You are watching another session which is completely based on introducing oneself part 1, and I will be discussing with you the strategies or the ways through which you are able to boost your confidence with the passage of time. First of all, you have to focus on it's quite natural to accept that fear is very natural and everyone has to experience it. When we are having multiple situations in our mind and we have to face it in regarding social context or at our professional front. So it's quite natural that sometimes we fumble, we feel low, we stammer while speaking. Basically, when we realize and when we consider and we become overconscious that we feel that we are being judged. Actually it creates a fear. It creates an impression of fear in our mind. But with the following particular tips and strategies, you can cover up this part of fear. The best way to overcome the fear is to face it. First of all, you have to focus on fear is natural, you have to accept it, and then you have to move accordingly. Accept the fear and face it. The idea refers that if we have the courage to face ourselves, then we can face public or huge gathering. Firstly, we have to learn to face ourselves. If I am capable of facing myself in front of camera, in front of you people, then I am having the courage to speak and to overcome all sort of challenges. So let's learn. Firstly, you have to follow the technique or the strategy which is known as you are going to give the continuous reminder to your mind about your dreams and desires. Like in other words, आप देखते हैं बहुत सी religious preachings में और some motivational speakers, they also suggest you just create the power of giving the reminder, continuous reminder to your mind about your dreams and desires. Like जो भी आपके wishes हैं, desires हैं, if you want to fulfill that one, if you want to overcome your habit of fear, if you want to become confident, आपकी जो भी problems हैं, जो भी challenges हैं, hurdles हैं, just try to give the continuous reminder to your mind that I am confident enough to face the challenges of life and I am able to fulfill this particular dream. So whatever your ideas are there, whatever your experiences are there, whatever your desires or ambitions for life are there, you are going to mention it. Just give the continuous reminder to your mind that yes, I am capable enough to face the challenges of life very smoothly. Okay? It means with the passage of time, your subconscious mind starts working for the same, and actually these things work. No doubt it takes time. हमें अपने आप को boost up करने में, अपने आप को जब हम low feel करते हैं उससे cover up करने में, it takes time. But the main thing is that if you are making yourself practicable of such things most of the times, तो डे बाय डे ये आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड की जो पावर है ये वर्क करना स्टार्ट करती है एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ मिरेकल फॉर यू. आई कैन गिव यू द एश्योरेंस एंड यू कैन ट्राई फॉर द सेम. नेक्स्ट मेथड इज दैट इज earlier this I have been experiencing or this I have been doing since my childhood. I have learned कि just do the mirror practice. It means if you are having the caliber, if you are having the strength to face yourself, then you can face anyone. This is the best strategy. And now one more aspect is there. Nowadays innovative ways are there, so you can opt for video recording or voice recording. with the passage of time you are going to learn, you can understand that your speed should not be very too high or too low. The main thing is that you have to give the trial for yourself, just to try to maintain the balance with your speed as well as with your speech. It means pace और speech के बीच में आपकी balancing approach होनी चाहिए. Fine. Third strategy you are having for hand movements, your body movements, your gestures and your posture should be very straight and firm. Like it should not be giving a laziness impression. You should have the personality, जिस person को देख के आपको लगे that the person is really confident enough and the person is having some sort of impression or attractiveness is there. Okay, so just go for the same. With the passage of time, when you do the mirror practice, when you do the recording in camera and all that, then you are going to give the trial for your speed. आपको आपके hand gestures, आपको movements, आपकी speed, आपके जो caliber है वो सारी चीज़ें आपको reveal होंगी. So with your continuous practice, you can reframe yourself and you can give the best trial for your presentation or any sort of like situations, variety of situations. In the beginning I have said, now it's the time to face the day. When you are going for an interview, when you are proceeding for a formal presentation, when you are presenting yourself at a professional front, now you should have 3 ideas in your mind. First of all, in spite of the fact I am having fear in my mind, I am accepting it, I am trying to follow the techniques and strategies to make myself calm, to make myself positive in a particular situation. Still, what you have to follow on the particular day, you must give yourself affirmation that first of all, today is not the last day for my efforts. You are getting many opportunities. Second one, even if you prove to be a failure, it means you are getting the opportunities to upskill yourself. हम लोग सिर्फ आगे की तरफ रश करना चाहते हैं, like wherever my infirmities are there, if we are getting time, तो we just focus on, we can start focusing on our skills. जो हमारे skills हैं, जो हमारे hidden talents हैं, हमें उनको explore करने के लिए we are getting the best opportunities as well as sufficient time. And the last and not the least is smile and pleasing smile. I can give you the assurance, even if you are having the less knowledge about your content, you are feeling or you are experiencing fear, but if you are carrying a pleasant smile or pleasing smile, then you are considered as a very welcoming candidate. No? So wear a pleasing smile. First of all, you are going to create the impression that you are a magnetic personality. Second thing, the person starts taking interest in your content as well as ideas. आपके ideas में, आपके content में वो एक conversation का part बन जाएगा. You are going to cover up this fear with your power of smile. If you are having pleasing smile, if you feel कि मुझे fear feel हो रहा है but फिर भी मुझे smile कर रही है, that's a sort of courage or spirit you must carry every time. So I hope this video is beneficial for you up to some extent, and now I will be uploading my forthcoming video, that is सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन और इंट्रोड्यूसिंग वन सेल्फ, जिसमें मैं आपको कंप्लीट सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल लेट यू नो कि आप कैसे कैसे किन वर्ड्स को और किस अपने जो टेक्निक है, ओनली वन टेक्निक आई विल लेट यू नो, उसी में आप यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ ब्लिसफुल आंसर, नो, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट वन. सो होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड वॉट एवर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन. आप जो टिप्स हम फॉलो करते हैं, आप उनको टिप्स को फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कीजिए. आप देखेंगे 1 week, 20 days, धीरे धीरे विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू गेन कॉन्फिडेंस. नाउ टिप ऑफ द डे इज don't rush for fancy words in your speaking. Even if you feel that your vocabulary is not too impressive or expressive, अगर आपकी vocabulary बहुत strong नहीं है तो भी just try just focus that you are going to use simple sentences, simple and small sentences. It gives the impression that you are very sensible person or you are having a sensible personality. Hope you have understood up to some extent, and now stay connected, stay smiling, as it adds grace to your personality and to your mind. Thank you so much.